everyone, it's Bibi. Welcome to my channel. I am coming at you a little bit barefaced this morning because I thought it would be a good idea to do a get ready with me. It's Sunday today, which means it's church for me. So I have a simple makeup look as well as an entire outfit to show you. We do tend to cover our heads in church. I will show you that also. If you like the sound of that, then keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I do have more beauty and fashion related videos coming up on this channel, so stay tuned for that.